Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. From connecting the device to your TV and pairing the remote, to setting up Wi-Fi and signing into your Amazon account, we cover everything you need to know. Whether you're new to streaming or upgrading your current setup, this guide will help you get started quickly. Inside the Fire TV Stick 4K Max box, you'll find the Fire TV Stick 4K Max itself, along with a dedicated Alexa voice remote, which includes built-in power and volume controls. The package also includes a USB power cable, a power adapter, an HDMI extender, for better flexibility with tight spaces behind your TV, and two AAA batteries for the remote. Everything you need to get started with your streaming device is neatly packed in this compact box, making setup easy and convenient. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Fire TV Stick into an available HDMI port on your TV. Use the included power adapter and USB cable to connect the stick to a power outlet. For best performance, avoid using the TV's USB port. Turn on your TV and select the corresponding HDMI input. The Fire TV logo should appear on the screen as the device boots up. The Alexa voice remote should automatically pair with the Fire TV Stick. If not, press and hold the home button for 10 seconds until the on-screen prompt shows that the remote has been paired. Check for response. Try using the remote by navigating the menus. If it doesn't respond, check the batteries or repair it using the home button again. The Fire Stick will prompt you to choose a Wi-Fi network. Use the Alexa remote to select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter password. If the network is secured, you'll be prompted to enter the password. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation that the Fire TV Stick is online. If you already have an Amazon account, enter your login credentials. If not, you can create a new account by following the on-screen instructions. Your account is essential for accessing streaming services, apps, and content. Verification. Amazon may ask you to verify the account by sending a code to your registered email or phone number. Complete this step to proceed. After logging in, the Fire Stick will guide you through setting up your remote to control your TV's power and volume. Follow the on-screen steps to confirm that the remote is successfully controlling your TV. The system will prompt you to test if the volume and power buttons on the Alexa voice remote are working with your TV. If they work, confirm the settings and move forward. After setup, you will be prompted to customize your experience by downloading apps. The Fire Stick will suggest popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney, and more. Select the apps you want and hit download. Following these detailed steps ensures a smooth setup for your Fire TV Stick 4K Max, giving you access to an array of streaming services and features. Now your setup process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.